Hey everybody, my name is Marshall and I'm the inventory controller here at ShopSabre CNC. I recently graduated from Iowa State University with a degree in supply chain management, and I'd been looking for a change of scenery at my previous job, and I saw the opportunity here at ShopSabre CNC and felt that it'd be a great fit to help advance and build my skill set in the career path that I envisioned for myself. My typical day at ShopSabre can have me running all over the place. I can be in our purchasing office working with our buyers to ensure that the numbers that they're using every day to bring materials into the building are correct, or I could be working with our parts department to ensure that they have the necessary parts to ship out to you, our customers, and ensuring that our inventory flows through the building smoothly. When it comes to working here at ShopSabre CNC, I feel that the most rewarding aspect to me is when I'm able to see a project through, and then to see the outcome and effect that has on not only myself and my daily job, but how it affects everyone else in the building and how it makes their job easier. Outside of work, when I'm not at ShopSabre, I enjoy quite a few different things. My first passion is going to be classic cars. In high school, I restored a 1972 Oldsmobile 442 with my dad. When I'm not fixing everything I break on that, I spend my Sundays watching football. I'm a big Chicago Bears fan. If someone were to ask me about working at ShopSabre, the first thing that I would tell them is the relationship I have with others in the building. Having that great relationship with everyone in the building allows me to then do better at my job. In addition, with ShopSabre growing every day, creating new projects, creating new products to provide to our customers, it always provides something new to do every day. To be able to enjoy that, it's a big thing for me.